welcome back. So we will tie the hairs on the both the sides. Now divide the hairs into two parts, and on the lower side we will make the plaits like this. Now join them together and fix it on the top by making a butterfly on it. Now on the sides make the plaits and fold the hairs to make the bun. Fix it and it's ready. Next, divide the hairs into 6 parts like this. Now tie it using the colorful rubber bands as shown in the video. So here we will fix the rubber bands on the hairs till the half part. Now tie them together till the back. Now follow the same process for the other side. Make the plaits, fold it and fix it like this. Put the rubber bands on the same way as we are putting and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, we will divide the hairs in the sides. So tie it taking small sections and then rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After that, we will make the plaits on it. Now tie the hairs on the back and then rotate it as shown in the video. Divide it into 2 parts like this. Tie them and make the plaits. Fold it upward and fix it and it's done. Next, we will take small section of the hairs in the front and tie them. Now rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After that, we will fix all of them together on the back. So first, we will fix the threads on it. So take the colorful threads and make the plaits on the hairs to fix the threads one by one. After that, join them together one by one on the back like this. Tie a high ponytail and your hairstyle will be ready. Next, divide the hairs into 5 sections. Now rotate them one by one as shown in the video. First we will rotate the upper part, make the plaits on it and then again rotate it using the same tool like this. After that, spread it from the top and then make a bow on the top like this. Join it on the sides, make the plaits and then fold it upward and your hairstyle is ready. Next, we will tie the ponytails on the sides. Now divide the hairs into 2 sections. Now rotate the hairs from dividing it from the between. Now fix the hairs into each other and make the bow on the sides like this. After that, we will follow the same process for the other side and your hairstyle is ready. Next, divide the hairs on the sides like this and tie them. Now rotate it using this hairstyling tool. After rotating it, fix the rubber bands on it as shown in the video and your hairstyle will be ready. Thanks for watching.